When we wish to interpolate f of x values where x is located towards the middle of the tabular data, we can make use of central difference interpolation formula or Stirling's interpolation formula. Of all the interpolation formulas such as forward interpolation formula, Newton's backward interpolation formula, this formula, which involves central differences, are most useful because the coefficient in this formula will decrease very fast compared to Newton's forward interpolation or Newton's backward interpolation formulas. Coefficients decrease rapidly will help us to neglect higher terms, and thus we can easily arrive at the approximate answer. We have central difference table written as x0, which is the origin shifted to middle of the tabular data, and we have f of x0 equals y0. We have x0 minus h, x0 minus 2h are located above x0, and x0 plus h and x0 plus 2h are located below x0, where h is the interval of differencing or step size. We have f of x0 minus 2h equals y suffix negative 2 and f of x0 plus h equals y suffix 1. The first difference will be notated as delta y negative 2, which implies y suffix negative 1 minus y suffix negative 2. Delta y suffix negative 1 equals y0 minus y suffix negative 1. Delta y0 equals y suffix 1 minus y0, and so on. We have second differences notated as delta square y suffix negative 2, which will be this value minus this value. We have delta square y suffix negative 1 will be difference between this value and this value, and so on. We have third differences notated as delta cube y suffix negative 2, which will be difference between this value and this value. Similarly, delta cube y suffix negative 1 will be this value minus this value. We have fourth difference notated as delta raised to 4 y suffix negative 2, which will be distance or difference between this value and this value. The Stirling's interpolation formula is given by f of a plus nh equals f of x0 plus nh, where x0 equals a is the origin which is shifted to middle. We have shifted the origin towards the middle of the tabular data because we wish to interpolate value of f of x for an x value which is located near the middle of the tabular values of x. We have f of x0 plus nh can also be expressed as y suffix n. The formula is expanded as y0 plus n times delta y0 plus delta y suffix negative 1 divided by 2 plus n square by 2 factorial delta square y negative 1 plus n into n square minus 1 by 3 factorial delta cube y negative 1 plus delta cube y negative 2 divided by 2 plus etc. The formula may be remembered as coefficient of difference y0 will be 1, coefficient of difference delta y0 plus delta y negative 1 by 2 will be n, coefficient of delta square y minus 1 will be n square by 2 factorial, coefficient of difference delta cube y minus 1 plus delta cube y minus 2 divided by 2 will be n into n square minus 1 by 3 factorial, coefficient of delta raised to 4 y negative 2 will be n square into n square minus 1 divided by 4 factorial. We will have n values very small, and hence we will have n square into n square minus 1 will be very small. So in most of the cases we will be required only till these many coefficients, and the other coefficients will be considerably negligible values. This is because when n itself is very small, square of n will be even more smaller.